Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of vice: immoral or wicked behavior. For example, an open sewer of vice and crime. American pronunciation: vice, vice. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Vice. Say, vice. Vice means immoral or wicked behavior. Vice. Vice. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Use clamps or a vise to hold workplaces when practical. Now, repeat after me. Use clamps or a vise to hold workplaces when practical. The second practice. In adults, this streak gives way to double standards, greed and vice. Now, repeat after me. In adults, this streak gives way to double standards, greed and vice.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.